What's up, yo? We're making these smoky, sticky, juicy as hell. Oh, what's that? Tasty baby backs. Some people like to take this membrane off, but I don't know, man. I kind of like it. Gets crispy with some seasoning on there. One of the best parts, if you're weird like me, I'm gonna crosshatch this so we end up with some pockets. We're gonna go down pretty heavy with both these rubs. Ribs can usually take it. Now we're just going to rub the seasoning into these creases. Make sure we get it in there nice and deep. Now that we got this little rack rubbed up, we're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes until the meat starts to sweat and them seasonings start going into the meat. As you can see, the meat started sweating over. The seasonings have liquefied. It's getting into the meat. Now it's time to put them on. All right, we're just going to throw these down. We're going to let these sit in the smoke for about 2 hours. It's been about 2 hours. We're going to get our little foil wrap ready. And I'm not getting crazy with this one, throwing a bunch of chili sauce and crazy stuff in here. I'm just throwing some butter and some powdered sugar because I like the way the powdered sugar tastes over turbinado or some of those others. So we're just going to sprinkle just a little bit of this on here. Then we're going to drop these ribs in here, meat down. Looking good already, huh? Oh yeah, check that out. Now we're just going to wrap these up nice and tight. Be careful, because you got these little dingleberries that come out the ends by the bones. They get pretty sharp. They'll pop holes in your foil. So just knock those down before you wrap it up. And this is just a simple little sauce I made. I made just enough for these ribs, but this is where my ribs differ from most. I mean, some of y'all might do this, but I don't see it much. But they're so good like this. Okay, so we smoked them for 2 hours, wrapped them for an hour, let them get real tender. Now, we're going to throw these back over the hot coals, right over the fire. They're going to get some nice grill marks, some char, a little bit of that flavor from the juice dripping down the coals back on it. We're going to have the best of both worlds. We're going to have grilled, smoked ribs. And I'm telling you, boys, once you do it this way, oh man, you'll find yourself doing it like this more often than not. Smoked ribs are good, and grilled ribs are good. But when you do both, shit, damn, they're good. Alright, so now we're just going to put a little tiny layer of sauce on these just to add another little layer of flavor. Here's a little closer look. You can see there's not too much sauce on here. Got those nice grill marks. Now we're just going to throw it right back on the coals again. Little princess waiting for her snacks. After about another 20-25 minutes, just getting that sauce to set, our ribbies are done. Yeah, I know it's easier to cut them upside down, but yeah, whatever. And yes, I am licking my fingers after every time, but these ribs are mine. Nobody else getting these, so I don't give a shit. Here's our result for slaving over this smoker for 3 hours. Delicious, smoky, tasty baby backs. But now I gotta get a bite of this. Look at that bite mark. Overcooked and can still do it. Thank y'all for stopping by. Hit that like, man, it really helps this new channel out. And if you like this content, hit that subscribe button, man. It's only gonna get better.
Those are some damn good ribs. You know what's up. Peace.